classic arcade where we preserve all the type of old games from the 80s and 90s and a few from the 60s and 70s that we've gathered over the course of at least 20 years with all 5 owners here. And all the games on free play. We set them to free play because tokens and quarters can get annoying, and we set it to free play because we like to keep our customers happy and we like to keep it simple.
I buy that,